Okay, number 12. The graph of y equals x squared plus 1 is shifted 5 units to the left and 4 units up. Find the corresponding quadratic function for the resulting graph. What? Actually, ang key dito is yung vertex. Anong vertex ng y equals x squared plus 1? So, isulat mo lang siya sa form y equals xh, a times xh plus k, diba? Which is actually easy kasi x squared is just x minus 0 squared plus 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang vertex ng equation na yan is 0, 1. Draw natin na. So, nandito yung coordinate system, tapos sana 0, 1. 0 ang x, 1 dito. Here. So, 0, 1. Sabihin natin 0, 1 yan. Tapos, so, it's facing upward kasi yung a niya is positive. A equals 1, so positive. Somewhere again. Ganyan yung parabola. Okay? Now, shift mo yung vertex, or mas madali, shift mo yung vertex na shifted 5 units to the left. Pag left ka or left-right, x-axis yan, either left or right. So, kung to the left, negative. Right? So, shifted 5 units to the left. Sa kaliwa. Pagka if you move to the left, maging negative yan. So, from 0, vertex na 0, magiging ano? Negative 5, right? Negative 5. Kasi, nag-move ka ng 5 units to the left. Let's see. So, from 0, napunta siya sa negative 5. Somewhere here. Lalagay ako ng dot. So, yan ang negative 5. Ito ang origin. Tapos, 4 units up. So, from 1, saka ng 1, 2, 3, 4. So, from 1, magiging ang vertex, bagong vertex, 1 plus 4, 5. Right? So, dito na siya. 1 plus 4 is 5. So, dito ang bago niyang vertex. Still opening upwards. So, yan ang bagong parabola. Okay? So, ang vertex niya, galing sa 0, 1, magiging negative 5, 5. Pero pareha pa rin ng a is still equal to 1 pa rin. Wala naman siyang sinabing changes sa a. So, ano na ngayon ang bagong equation? Okay, ang bagong equation, ano nga yung general form? Ang general form ng parabola, so bagong vertex, ito na, negative 5, 5. Shifted 5 units to the left and 4 units up. Ang general form ng vertex form, hindi pala general form yan. Vertex form, a times x minus h squared plus k. Diba? Si a ay 1 pa rin. So, 1, x minus negative 5 na. So, negative 5 ng h niya. So, negative 5 quantity squared plus, ano ang bagong k? Ang bagong k ay 5. So, plus 5 equals 1. So, pwede nang, sige, copy pa rin 1. X minus 5. X minus negative 5 is, so negative times negative, magiging positive. plus 5 equals. So, 1 times x plus 5 squared, same pa rin. So, pwede nating 1 times any number is that number. So, pwede wala na yan. Now, para ma-solve ang x plus 5 squared, pwede kayo gumamit ng FOL, pero ang gagamitin ko dito is square multiply times 2 squared. So, square ko muna si x. So, x squared, then square multiply times 2. I-multiply ko si x at saka si 5. That's 5x times 2. 10x. And then, i-square ko si 5. Plus 25. So, yan ang result ng x plus 5 squared plus 5. Meron bang plus 5? Okay, so, x squared plus 10x. Wala namang ibang may x na term dyan. Plus 25 plus 5 is plus 30. So, eto na ngayon ang quadratic function in standard form. Bagong function. Y equals x squared plus 10x plus 30. Okay?